Good morning, students. So today we solve one more problem on angle between the radius vector and the tangent to a curve. So here the problem is find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to a curve L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Okay, so this is a given curve, and for this curve we have to find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. So first write the given equation as L by R is equal to 1 plus E cos theta. Now call this equation as 1. So now to find the phi, now taking log both sides. Okay, so then we get log of L by R is equal to log of 1 plus E cos theta. Okay, now this is log A by B formula, so it can be written as log L minus log R, and this is same log of 1 plus E cos theta. Next is differentiating. With respect to theta. Okay, so now this is a constant, L is a constant, so log L is also a constant, so therefore differentiation of constant is 0, so first term will get 0. Next differentiation of log R, it is 1 by R, again differentiation of R, dr by d theta is equal to, now this is again differentiation of log x is 1 by x, so therefore it is 1 divided by 1 plus E cos theta. And again differentiation of this 1 plus E cos theta, it is 0, constant 0. Then differentiation of cos theta is minus sin theta, so it is minus E sin theta, minus E sin theta. Okay, so with this minus E sin theta, or 1 by R dr by d theta is equal to, this is equal to minus E sin theta divided by 1 plus E cos theta. Now both side minus get cancelled. Now reversing this, R into d theta by dr is equal to, so this is also to be reversed, so 1 plus E cos theta divided by E sin theta, Now this is by the definition of angle between the radius vector and the tangent, this is tan phi, and this is 1 plus E cos theta divided by E sin theta. Now we want phi, so phi is equal to, this is tan inverse of 1 plus E cos theta divided by E sin theta. Now in this 1 plus E cos theta, this cannot be simplified, this cannot be simplified, therefore we write this phi as it is. So this is the required angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Okay, so similarly we solve one more problem. Find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Similarly, we take one more problem on this. Find the angle between the radius vectors and the tangent to a curve to a curve 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. So in this again, the given equation we write 2a by r is equal to 1 minus cos theta. Call this equation 1. Next, taking log, same thing we have to follow. Taking log both sides, then this gives log 2a minus log r equal to log of 1 minus cos theta. Again differentiating with respect to theta. So this is 0 and this one is minus 1 by r dr by d theta, and this is 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta into differentiation of 1 minus cos theta, it is plus sin theta. Okay, so that is, this is minus 1 divided by r dr by d theta is equal to, this is sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so this is equal to, reversing this, minus r into d theta by dr is equal to, this is also to be reversed, 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now this is nothing but r d theta by dr is equal to minus of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. This r into d theta by dr is tan phi. Next, this is minus, and 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. Similarly, sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 get cancelled, 1 sin get cancelled. So we'll get tan phi is equal to minus sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Or this can be written as, tan theta by 2 can be written as tan of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Tan of pi by 2 tan of pi by 2, so tan of pi by 2 minus, pi by 2, pi minus pi by 2, not pi, it is pi minus theta by 2. That is tan of pi minus theta by 2, because pi minus means it comes in the third quadrant. So in the second quadrant, so therefore tan is there negative. So therefore this is tan phi, both sides will cancel, phi is equal to pi minus theta by 2. Phi is equal to, so this is phi is equal to pi minus theta by 2. So this is your answer, angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Okay, so this is all about finding the angle between the radius vector and the tangent to a given curve. So with this I conclude this class and continue in the next class. Thank you.